The Baystate High Street Health Center in Springfield closing today due to a broken water pipe. According to their website, providers reached out to the patients impacted by today's closure. Baystate says if patients have any care or telehealth needs, they should call the number there on your screen. Meantime, all other provider sites and clinics were open today.